If your skin feels dry, dull, and is losing its natural firmness, you can easily revive its glow right at home. Today, I'll show you how to instantly lift sagging skin, restore deep hydration, and clear away dark spots for a flawless, youthful complexion. Before we jump into these powerful anti-aging recipes, I'd be so happy if you subscribe to the channel for more beauty secrets. And remember, before trying any new mask, it's always best to test a small patch on your hand first. For our first option, we are using an egg yolk. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel. The caffeine in coffee stimulates blood circulation to instantly tighten and lift sagging skin, while the egg yolk delivers deep hydration and essential anti-aging nutrients for a flawless glass skin finish. If your main goal is fading dark spots and improving skin tone, here is option 2. Mix another egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of rice flour and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric targets dark spots, while rice flour clears uneven tone. Combined with the anti-aging power of egg yolk, this mask leaves your complexion incredibly radiant, bright, and youthful. Apply your choice of mask to your clean face and neck, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water, followed by cold water to lock in the benefits. Use this remedy 2 times a week for the best results. Subscribe to the channel for more daily natural skincare tips. And if you missed my viral 7-day glass skin challenge, click the link in the description below to watch it right now.